So, what have we got in this parcel? Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Good to be back to do a unboxing. We haven't done one of those for a long time. So here we have got ourselves another vacuum cleaner, that's right, in here is a vacuum cleaner. Now as you see, it has fragile written all over it. It's got fragile there, it's got fragile here, it's got fragile around this side. Hopefully the actual people that posted it from eBay have packaged it really well. Ignore that, that's an ice cream van that's just arrived down my street. Oh good, it stopped. So yes, I'm praying that this machine, well obviously you know what it is. You can't keep saying what is it, it says it in the description below, down there, that's right. It is a 1994 Hoover turbopower 1 U2806, and I must admit I think these are rare today, hence why I bidded on it and won. I will not disclose the price to you guys, just don't want to be so unfair to people, but we are going to unwrap this. So why have I gone back to turbopower? So I've gone back to turbopower because it got me thinking. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've had 5 turbopowers in my lifetime. I've had 2 turbopower ones, the Mark ones, which will be on my channel. I had a red one that arrived smashed, I had to rebuild it, which was a total system, and then I had a grey total system, a very mint, I can't remember its number, grey one, and then I had a green turbopower 2, a dark green permabag system turbopower 2, and I still own the grey with the red stripe at the bottom, U2806 turbopower 2, still own that. So I've not had a turbopower 1 for a while. So anyway, I spotted this one on eBay and I thought to myself, I'm bidding for that, because quite frankly the pictures showed it's quite a minter. It's honestly not bad at all. A few scrapes and scratches, it's second hand, but the owner assures me that it's hardly been used, which the picture does depict. So my prey, I'm hoping this survived the journey, because the one thing turbo powers are bad for is transit, because they're so brittle. So here it is in its box. So moment of truth. I've assured the seller that I'm videoing the unboxing, just to show that I'm not making it up if it is smashed or damaged in any way, shape or form, that I did not cause it. I'm hoping it's intact. Come on. Oh yeah, this has been wrapped beautifully. Oh, look at this. So good, that'll just come off. So as you can see, it's been wrapped absolutely beautifully. I'm quite happy with that. Let's just get this up. Come on. Down. The seller has also stated that he's made sure the wheels are absolutely packaged really well, because he knows It's the wheels that get broken mainly. So being extra gentle, we're going to do this. Yeah, so I wanted it because I thought to myself, do you know, ow, I haven't seen a blue one for a very long time. I remember my uncle owning a blue turbopower one when I was little. So, oh, it is very blue, isn't it? That is a very different blue. No, that's just the packaging that's protected it around it. This is a lot of bubble wrap, I'm really pleased to say. Still protecting it. It's exciting because I feel there's nothing wrong with it, but we'll see. Be careful. Well, we got the cable, look at this. So what it's done is he's used these airbags to protect its journey, which is great. It's not going to leave any marks or anything. The good news, the wheels have survived. They're a bit wobbly, but they are intact. That is brilliant. Yep, the wheels are good. That's one worry over. And there we go, look at this. It's detached the belt. It's great. Oh, it does look mint underneath. Look at that. That is a minter. Right, it's took the handle off, good man. So far, so good. Get the remaining blues out the way. Still being careful with her. Well, it's second hand, we knew it was. But nothing is broke. Okay, so we've got the handle on. We did that off camera because it took so long. I haven't had one of these for ages. I forgot how to put them on. But it's gone on perfectly well. So that's okay. This is very nice. It's got a lean, but the lean is not too bad. It's not leaning too badly, to be fair. Solid. Right, we need to put the belt on because the belt has been disassembled so it doesn't stretch. Okay, so there should be 2 screws there and there, and then there and there, so there's 4 together. The good thing is, it survived the journey. I'm so pleased it survived the journey. There's one thing that happens to turbo powers in post is they just demolish themselves, and that is purely the seller not packaging it correctly to protect it, or the parcel company. There's a good seal on this. Oh, I've just broken something, haven't I? Don't see anything. I haven't broken anything, guys. False alarm. Okay, right. Belt's good. Let's plonk it back in there then. Locate where the motor Here's the fun part, guys. Stretching it to get over that. And of course, if you don't get it right, it bites. No injuries to report. Belt's back on. That brush roll's looking good. Back in. Yeah. All is good. Now I thought I broke something. I heard a snap, but I haven't snapped anything. So I've just forgotten. I have totally forgotten. I've not had one for ages. So don't panic, guys, nothing has broke. Really looking forward to switching her on. There we go. Why is that really stiff? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think we're ready to demo her. Be very gentle. Yeah, a few marks and scrapes, but you know, it is second hand. He did say it's a used cleaner. Okay, data plate time. Hoover model U2806, 230-40 volt, 50 Hz, 430, 445. No, what's that? 430, 450 watt, BEAB approved. Serial number U280640909912. Registered trademark, made in EC. So 1994 EC. Yeah, Europe probably. But here she is in all her splendour. Loads of blanking plates because it's not a total system. There's no side hose like my other two that I've had, and also the lower cord hook is also a fixed plate. We've got the power switch. We don't know if it's on or off, but if it's on, it will power into life straight away. I don't think there's anything wrong with it, but never say never. And also YouTube, well, this video will go viral if it explodes. Right, this will power into life straight away or it won't. Oh, that is loud. That is immensely loud. Okay, we'll do a short demo. I actually forgot how loud this thing is. That might be alright. YouTubers, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I just forgot how loud these things were. Or is it supposed to be that loud? Because I do remember my red one, my I think it was U2798, the turbopower. That was incredibly loud, but I think this is louder, or it might be the same loudness. I don't know. But honestly, I've forgotten how loud they were. Kids, bloody loud. I must say it did well. It hasn't overheated. Nothing's hot. It performed really, really well. I thought it done well on the carpet. It groomed the carpet. I just can't comprehend how loud it was. Really, really loud. But yeah, I'm quite pleased to have this. I don't know how long I have it in my collection for. Hopefully for a while, a couple of years, and then we'll probably sell it on to another collector. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm going to enjoy this machine. As I say, the U2806 in blue is quite rare nowadays. I do believe it was the basic model, this, that was sold in the 90s. As I say, you got the total system, which I had two of. This one is not. This is the standard. So there we have it. So my massive thank you to the seller for putting this on eBay for me to bid on in the first place. Thank you very much. And as you saw, your packaging has done its justice. It arrived safely, no damage whatsoever. Really, really pleased, and thank you very much. And viewers, I want to say thank you. Keep subscribing. I am noticing that you are subscribing. Remember, there are, well, not thousands, but there are 100 more videos. If you go through my channel and go through all the years that I've been doing YouTube, there are plenty more videos to go back and watch that I've done in the past. Please go and enjoy those. For the future, I mean, I have got a few videos lined up, but they're not promised to come out anytime soon. They're just when and well, whenever I can be bothered, basically, to put one out. So there we go, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.